Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make Keralay, and this is how you buy it from the market. And before you do anything, the first thing is to peel it, and then we'll cut it as well. And I decided to make Keralay because my daughter is in Pakistan these days, and she was telling me how she had these excellent Karelas in somebody's house, and that inspired me. So let's do it. So after cutting the Karela, you take the seeds out of it, and then as you can see, I've sliced it, and then I'm going to just put a little bit of salt in it and leave it aside for 15 minutes to take the bitterness out of it. So I'm going to fry the Karela a little bit. While I'm frying the Karela, I'm also going to saute the onion on the side. Just going to add the tomatoes and fry them as well until they're soft. I'm going to add the salt, red chilies, and turmeric. I'm going to mix the Karelas in this mixture until everything is cooked. Just added some green chilies and coriander, and hopefully the family likes it. Karela is really good for your health. It has many health benefits.